we have learned that if we have a capacitor of positive charge plate, negative charge plate maintained at a distance d filled with air between, there will be electric field E naught. A is the area of each plate, distance d is between the two plates, and if the surface charge density of the positive charge plate is plus sigma, negative charge plate is negative sigma, then we have electric field of E naught is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught when the air is between the plates. Fine. Because of which we have V naught is equal to E naught D. Fine. Here we can write sigma is equal to charge upon surface area of the plate. Therefore, we can write Q upon A epsilon naught. Instead of sigma, I have substituted Q upon A. Substituting the value of E naught here, okay, I get V naught is equal to Q epsilon naught A D. Okay, this is what I have. Follow these steps. First I have written E naught, then I wrote V naught. Now, in the video 13th itself, we have learned C naught is equal to Q upon V naught, where Q is the charge on the plate and V naught is the potential difference between the two plates. I have V naught from here, which I shall substitute, so I get Q. V naught is QD upon epsilon naught A, so I make a reciprocal, so Q upon QD epsilon naught A. Okay, Q I cancel. Finally I have C naught is equal to epsilon naught A upon D. This we have already derived in the video number 13 of this chapter. Okay, this is just a revision part and remembrance part to follow the same steps, whether we put a dielectric or whether we put a conductor in between the plates. So just to refresh these steps, step 1, step 2 and step 3, I have written it down. Fine. Okay. Now, as the heading says, dielectric fully occupying the region. So now, let me place a dielectric fully occupying the region between the plates. Now, as learned, as soon as I place the dielectric between the plates, the external electric field will form dipole moments in the dielectric, whether the dielectric is polar or non-polar. What will the external electric field form? Dipole moment. And